Okay, wait. We're on camera.
Oh, okay. Hi, my name is Dominique.
And I'm Jennifer. And we're going to be singing Laundry Mat. Okay.
I'm going to do Nivea. She's going to be our healer.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. You's a lying, cheating son of a, the way you do me. Boy, I'm sorry for taking your shit. See, I heard all about those bad hoes up in college. Shoddy, need to stop it. Hello,
Yeah, baby, why you tripping on shit you don't know about? Believing every goddamn thing that you hear about.
it's nothing that I heard.
Wait a minute, just hear me out. You don't even know about my doings and my whereabouts.
See you wrong there, I busted you. Coming out some girls out.
And what's the supposed to mean?
Nothing till you kissed her in the mouth. Boy, let that wake us up. I'm pretty clear that you're a lie. Tired of sitting around hearing all your phony alibis. Soap, powder, bleach, tile, fabric, softener, dollars, change, pants, socks, dirty drawers. I'm headed to the laundry mat. Let's not forget the food stains, dirt spots, headsets, chairs pop, paper, clean. I'm heading to the laundry mat.
Baby, what you saying?
Baby, read between the lines. Do I have to spell it out for you? I'm saying goodbye.
Oh, girl, quit playing. You're the only